now.
Oh my god! Listen, recording with friends is the worst ever because these bitches record. And you know what? 20 minutes in and they didn't record.
My titties purple, they plastic. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.
Hey luxers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you tuning in or passing by for the first time, my name is Kristen Moore, and here on this channel we discuss everything lifestyle, luxury, and beauty. If this is something you're interested in, oh come on girl, jump on the board and let's just enjoy each other. Let's just enjoy this moment. Let's just get it all in. For all you fashion gurus and lovers out there, all you handbag lovers out there, I'm your plug. So for those of you living through me, thank you so much for the support. I mean, I get it. Like, it is an amazing experience, isn't it? Bag collectors, for all you bag junkies out there, you're not alone. So with no further ado, I will jump right into the video. As you guys see in the caption, in the title below, today we're discussing my first, can I get a drum roll? Hey! My first Hermes 20. Kelly, my first Hermes Kelly in the size 20. Now, everybody know this is a very rare bag to get. This is a bag that you don't even, like, you can't even imagine getting. Like, everybody is crazy behind it. They resell for like triple the price on resellers' website and stuff like that. I've gotten so desperate where I was like, should I get one? You know, I've been eyeing this bag since like early 2018, and I've been seeing it, you know, all over social media, and I've been kind of wondering like, hey, this look kind of cute, you know, but I just didn't really think that, okay, yeah, this is something that I really want. You know, there's a lot of things on my wishes that I would love to have, but it's not like it's something that I'm chasing up. You know what I mean? Like, it's not like something that is like how, like right now on my wish list is a Birkin 35. Like, I'm after like a bigger Birkin 35, a nice color, you know. It's not like something I'm anticipating like I would really want. So me actually being able to score this bag for me means the world. It is my first, definitely not the last, Kelly 20. It's an amazing bag. Like, because some people will be like, oh girl, but for me it's like, wow. And I just feel really blessed because I didn't even score it in the UK. I scored it in Barcelona. So I have a really good essay in Barcelona because I have really good ties with Barcelona. I've been going to Barcelona for years and shopping, so I've built a really good relationship with my sales essay in Barcelona. I was like, how could I go about updating my wishes? Because I think my wishes should be expired by now, and I haven't gotten a call or a text. I was like, do I have to be there in person? He's like, most likely it would be nice. Why don't you come in? And I'm like, you know what? I can't really come right now because, you know, I'm away and stuff. So he was like, okay, you know what? I could probably update it for you. What are you after? So I said to him, you know, I would like to have like a Kelly Pochette or a mini Kelly. You know, he's like, oh, okay, all right. So he did my wish list. He asked me colors. I said I would like to have, I think it was yellow, red, orange, green, blue, purple, and brown. So those 7 colors that I put down, he was like, let's narrow it to 5. And I think I took off orange and yellow. So I took 2 colors off. We narrowed it down to 5. Then we proceeded to, you know, go about our daily life. I got an email saying that, hey, we got an item you requested. When I was reading the email, I just paused and I just was like, you know what? This is what I mean by when you're a good-hearted person. Like, you do get your dreams and desires. For some people, it's like, girl, it's just a bag. And I get it. But for me, as a Hermes collector and someone that loves handbag, certain things is beyond your reach. I am not a VVIC with Hermes, whereas I'm a VVIC with Dior. I could call Dior and I could get something imported from Prague if I wanted. I could get something imported from wherever in the world. Gucci, I'm a VVIC. If there's a collection, everything, I am preference. I get offered, I get stuff, I have options with these brands, and I really love the opportunities that I've had with these brands. These brands take me to brunch, lunch, dinner. I see some people get this with Hermes. I don't get this with Hermes yet. keyword yet. It is called speaking it into existence, honey. So for me to score something like this, it just feels really, really good. And it's all about having that good energy and good vibes. So when I got the email and I read it, I was super shocked because there's this thing where I see things, see it, say it, obtain it. And for me, it was such a wow factor. So I can't really go into much detail because obviously I will ruin the unboxing. So later down when I unbox it, you guys will kind of understand where I'm coming from, and I would definitely go back to it. So moving forward, I got the email from my SA. I said to them, like, okay, cool, I'll be able to come in. I made my appointment. I also grabbed two of my really, really close friends, and I said to them, you know what, hey, let's go to Barcelona for the weekend. Let's go shopping. Everybody was on board. Jump, fly, flew out, period.
Y'all must be getting flued out, whatever.
We flew to Barcelona, made the best of the situation, and I will insert some clips here with me going to stores, shopping, and enjoying myself. And how I feel about having a Hermes Kelly 20 right now, I feel super, super, super excited. I feel as though like I really would like to get some more, so I'll definitely be adding some of those to my wish lists in future. Even though I know it's quite hard to come by, but I definitely would be adding that to my list. I would definitely like to have couple more. I really, really, really would love to have a couple more. Like this is like it's like my to-go-to bag now. Like everywhere on my Instagram right now, you will see like that's the bag I'm rinsing, honey. I'm using her. Like I'm actually using this bag. So for me, it's a great experience. You know, other to that, let's discuss a bit of price rise. The most amazing thing about shopping in Barcelona, so this is for all my luxury shoppers out there that loves a bargain like myself. I don't
May I have your attention, please?
care about what or how much it's paid, or oh, I don't do sale, honey, bitch. I love a sale, honey.
Hey, who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
So if you could get more for your money, why not? For all of you shopping out there, we as UK citizens or people living in the UK know that there's, you know, whenever we used to fly out or go to places, we never could be able to shop tax-free because we were coming back to European territory. But now, since Brexit, that doesn't apply to us UK tourists anymore. So everywhere is being promoted in Barcelona where UK tourists can actually apply for your VAT. Now, it is about approximately anywhere between 17 to 15%, I believe. And I happen to get back my tax-free. So, and I also purchased more stuff. So I also purchased a Twilly and a RANT sandal in the gold. They actually had a 41.5, which I was super excited about. So I grabbed it straight away because it's really hard to get that color in my size in the UK. And the price difference was weird because it was cheaper than what it costs here in the UK. And also when you do the euro conversion, it works out cheaper and you get your tax back. So it's three factors there. So the prices are a bit cheaper than the UK retail. Plus you have your tax return. So you get your VAT back. And then the third is your euro to pound conversion. So that helps it be even cheaper. So you have three factors that play there that narrows down the price. So I'm really happy to say that I've gotten all these items for £1,000 less than what one item would have cost me, which what the Kelly 20 would have cost me here in the UK. I've managed to go a Kelly 20 and to get a pair of orans and a nice Twilly to go with the bag. So where could you go wrong? And the best thing about it is I could have gotten my VAT back the same day in cash or card. I requested it to be returned back to my credit card, so I had to wait a couple of days for that, but that was just a great experience. So you have that option as well. So I think I'm gonna do two videos. I'm gonna do a what fit in my Kelly 20, and I'm gonna do my shopping in Barcelona experience tax-free as a UK tourist. So stay tuned for those two videos. Obviously, as everybody know, the Kelly 20 comes in different leather. I think I'll just leave more of the specifications of the bag for my what's in my Kelly 20 video. And you know, it's just a bag that I really love. Like I really can't complain at all. Like it's a bag that I love. I use it every tick of the clock. Like it's like, let's just, you know, have it. So with no further ado, I am going to unbox slash reveal to you guys my baby. As you guys may know, as I always say, like on my Instagram is where I would always have my unboxings, which was more current, where you will see my collection. So here you have her, guys. This is my Kelly 20 in the color Vert Cricket. Now this is the thing that I was trying to mention earlier with see it, say it, obtain it. This is a color I've been after since 2020. This is a 2020 color. This color was released in 2020. I actually put down for a Kelly green Vert Cricket because I really wanted one, and I wanted one in a size 28 Cellier or Retourné, but most likely they would have come Cellier with gold hardware, of course. And when I got the email from Hermes here saying that, hey, there's something that that it was on my wish, they're more than happy to assign me the bag. But it was a Vert Marquise, which was the olive green bag that I got way early this year. I think it was somewhere like beginning of the year, and I was like really super duper excited because I was like, you know what, I completely gave up on this color. Like, and not that I gave up on it, but I was like, you know what, I really would like to have a piece of this color. So at this point, I was like, you know what, I'm not fussed, I'm not bothered. It is what it is. And then to finally get the bag of your desires, your most bag that you desire in the color that you want. So this is my first, not only my first Hermes Kelly 20, but also my first desire. Like, this is what I want, this is what I got. I have never been to Hermes and gotten what I want. So like, for example, with my cray, I wanted something gray, étoupe, or gris pale, like something gray and dark, étain, étoupe. I got a cray. I wanted my blue Farida. I end up getting the blue Atoll. So every time I go to Hermes, I never ever get the color that I want. So not only is this baby staying in my collection forever, this is my first time that I've gotten something that I asked for from Hermes that I didn't specify, but it's the color that I wanted and it's the size that I wanted. I wish it was gold hardware, but it's fine. Silver hardware does this small baby a lot of justice. So I'm gonna insert a video here for you guys to see how I would wear it. It doesn't fit me crossbody quite well because I think I'm a bit, broad to the top. So no shade, no tea. I just love her. She is just everything. Like, no shade, no tea. So I'm gonna insert a video so you guys can see how it looks on me. The strap length doesn't work for me at all, honey. It just doesn't work for me. So I just feel as though like I need to maybe get an additional strap or figure something out that I can sort it out. Like, I don't know, like it just doesn't, the strap just don't work for me. So for me personally, I just feel as though like if I am to probably get like a extender or something, I don't know, I'll be looking out to see if I can do it. I've been thinking about using some of my Gucci wallet on chain straps to see how it would go sideways, but those are gold, so it doesn't really match with the hardware of the bags. It's kind of difficult getting to wear it crossbody, but it's okay for now. I'm more than happy to have her handheld or just on the shoulder. So referencing for size versus the Birkin 25, I don't really know if that makes sense because that's a Kelly, this is a Birkin, but it's quite two different bags really. So until I get a Kelly 25 in future, I could actually do like a bag comparison, but other to that, yeah, I think that video will just have to happen in the near future. So to my Hermes guys, if you're hearing me right now, yeah, a Kelly 25 would do me justice right now, anytime. But yeah, as I said, like I'm super duper over the moon. I cannot complain at all. Like I am not even complaining. Like I'm really grateful and really happy to have been able to score this baby. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed and embarked with me on this journey. And for those of you following me on Instagram, most probably have seen this and definitely enjoyed it with me. Please comment and subscribe. Let me know what you think about my new baby. And yeah, as I always say, until next time.
My money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing.